guys, it's Sunday, August 28th, and after getting home last night after visiting the Diogenes, I fell asleep right away and I slept as a brick. So it's now already 6 p.m. or something like that, and I just woke up just with a few intermittent toilet breaks, I guess, but apart from that I just slept the entire day away. I guess I needed that. Anyway, as it's also nearing 24 hours that I last ate something, I guess it's time to get some, what should I call this? Should I call this breakfast, lunch, dinner? I don't know. I'll just stick to dinner in this case, because I'm preparing something warm. And that cute little doggy stuck with me all the time. Hey Chibi. Hi. Chibi, say hi to the viewers. Oh yes. This is Chibi saying hi, guys. So yeah, enjoy your toy, Chibi. So I'm currently preparing some ragout. I had this a while ago as well, but yeah, I've run out of nearly everything else to eat inside the house, and I still got half a week left before my salary will be deposited. So I'll just stick to eating the remainders that are here. And ragout is not that bad at all, so yeah, I guess it's not really a problem. Also, I got me this nice glass of Coke, with ice of course. That wasn't what I expected to when I opened up the microwave. I set it at a very low level, and not even all that long, and the ragout is just about lukewarm, but it did make the plastic plate and spoon form in a very curious way. Oh well, at least I got the bottom plate as well, so it will be easily cleaned. The microwave itself is totally clean still, but yeah, it's weird. So, what was the name of that spoon bending guru again? I mean, was it Uri Geller or something? Perhaps he just used microwave radiation. Now to get this cleaned off. Wow. While it's still fresh, it's not that difficult still. So here's a good lesson for you guys. If you got something like this you need cleaned, just do it while it's still fresh, so it will be easily cleaned, easily removed and stuff. Now let's just add some dishwashing soap to that. Because there will always remain some remains on the plate, and we don't want that either. Whoop. And the other side. Also put a bit of soap on there. And let's not forget the rear, of course. So yeah, I guess that's why those plastic plates were cheaper than regular. They were from from the Grillmeister, yeah, what should you call it, the budget weeks, called Grillmeister at a little supermarket. So I guess they just got some cheaper quality plates, though you wouldn't say it when you just use them normally. But I guess the ragout is less responsive to microwave radiation than that specific sort of plastic is. Because when you take a look at that hood I used, which is also plastic, it's completely intact, so nothing wrong with that. I'll also give this, by the way, a little bit of water. Because yeah, it's just steam on here, but it is steam that might contain some remains of ragout as well, just in case it went popping in the microwave. I didn't hear it pop, but yeah, you never know, so just taking care of that as well. So, all finished. Gonna watch some more Cardcaptor Sakura together with Chibi. Yeah! Hi Chibi! Hello! Hello Chibi! Oh yes! Oh, there is the little cutie dog. Cutie dog, cutie dog. Oh, you're such a cutie dog. Yeah! Hey! Cute stuff. Oh yes. Little cutie.
Whatever happens, we will find you.
The whole time I thought I was.
Yeah, time to watch Doctor Who.
And our baby. We're going after her.
The second half of season 6 started yesterday.
Melody human.
So, yeah, curious what will happen.
Where is she?
Hope in this endless, bitter war.
Against who?
Against you.
A king to lead his people to victory.
They remade Thundercats,
Spirits of evil.
a cartoon from my past. Curious how this will be. And just while I was taking that shot, Diogenes called on Skype. So we did some Skyping for a bit. And now it's time to continue watching Thundercats, the new 2011 series. Here we go. Yeah, it does look different from the old series. But still it looks good, so yeah. Okay. And as you can see, like Chibi is doing, it's time to get to bed. The Sunday's evening has gone away. So yeah, that's the end of today's vlog as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hey, cheerio!